Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase speaking skills with Babbel, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin improving your speaking skills with Babbel, first, download the Babbel app on your smartphone or tablet. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, select the language you wish to learn. Navigate to the course options and choose a beginner level course. Start with the introductory lesson to familiarize yourself with the app's layout and features. Pay attention to the pronunciation guides provided in each lesson. Repeat phrases and sentences aloud to practice your speaking skills. Utilize the speech recognition feature to assess your pronunciation accuracy. Take your time with each lesson, ensuring you fully absorb the material before moving on. Engage with interactive dialogues provided in the lessons to simulate real conversations. Practice speaking aloud regularly, even outside of the app. Set specific goals for speaking fluency, such as aiming for a short conversation by the end of the week. Incorporate speaking exercises into your daily routine to reinforce what you've learned. Join Babbel's community forums to connect with other learners and practice speaking together. Regularly review past lessons to reinforce your memory and improve fluency. Track your progress through the app's dashboard to stay motivated. Consider using Babbel's additional resources, such as podcasts and videos, to enhance your learning. Stay patient and consistent, as language learning takes time and practice. Soon, you will notice significant improvements in your speaking skills using Babbel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.